School Library Advocacy. April is School Library Month, a time when teacher librarians can share information about their school's library resources with stakeholders not only in April but throughout the year. In some schools, teacher librarian to teacher collaboration begins in kindergarten. However, there are still some administrators and teachers who do not recognize librarians as instructional partners capable of co-teaching classroom curriculum. And this presents an opportunity for teacher librarians to advocate for their school libraries and for their positions as skilled and valuable information specialists. We know that teachers have their hands full with test scores and trying to improve test scores, and some may see collaboration as just another job. School librarians, however, can get the message out that school librarians are actually partners in the classroom curriculum teaching. Deborah Cagle, in Teacher Librarian article, suggests a step-by-step advocacy planning model. Similar to the SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. An obvious first step is to define the issue. Many teachers and administrators balk at implementing teacher-librarian collaboration because they do not have a clear vision of the benefits of co-teaching. They need to know what library-to-teacher collaboration looks like in action, and they need proof that collaborative instruction strengthens classroom learning. This is an opportunity for teacher librarians to lead an advocacy steering committee, potentially teaming with other librarians to show how library resources can be used in classroom teaching. Teacher librarians need concrete evidence of the impact that co-planning and co-teaching have on student learning, which leads to step 2. Step 2 is to have facts. Have facts ready to share that show proof of improvement in learning through teacher-librarian collaboration. Keiko goes on to write that teacher librarians can provide stakeholders with facts culled from school library impact studies that correlate quality school libraries with student academic achievement. 19 out of 34 such state-level studies address collaboration, showing a positive correlation between instructional classroom library collaboration and increased student achievement. Keiko's third and fourth steps articulate goals and identify allies, opponents, and undecided people can be incorporated into one step, since the goals of collaboration need to be relatable to administrators, teachers, and students who may be reluctant to engage in collaboration. Keiko's fifth and sixth steps design the campaign and develop a communications plan can also be combined. Administrators appreciate being presented with a solution rather than a problem to fix, so she suggests that teacher librarians mine periodicals, blogs, and the internet, and use listservs and even social media to see how other librarians are collaborating. Use experiences of the other librarians, to bolster support for collaboration from administrators and teachers. Step 7 is implement and access. Cagle suggests starting small, perhaps one grade level or one curriculum at a time, with the early adopters, the people who are more likely to collaborate. And be prepared to show how teacher collaboration with librarians impacts classroom learning. Keiko writes that although this strategy takes time and planning, librarians have an opportunity to change not just schedules and access to their instructional expertise, but also the perceptions that a school librarian can be a valued instructional developer, teacher, and partner along with their teaching peers. Two other challenges for school librarians are getting the word out about all the resources available in the library, and another challenge is aligning library programs with school curriculum. To advertise a school library's variety of resources, teacher librarians and media specialists can take advantage of a PTA meeting to showcase an engaging activity from what can collaboration with the teacher librarian look like? An infographic accessible on the internet with ideas about how we can give stakeholders active hands-on proof of the impact of librarian and teacher librarian collaboration. This demonstration can be prepared ahead of time with students who have rehearsed and function as a small skit. A librarian and teacher can highlight how their individual roles overlap to strengthen a lesson and how ALA standards overlap with curriculum objectives to reinforce how collaboration improves learning. This event can increase teacher interest in collaboration when they see real-time evidence that ALA standards can be aligned easily with Common Core standards. School Library Month provides an opportunity for library workers to come together and share advocacy ideas. Advocating for school library can take the form of engaging presentations, displays, and special events to show faculty, staff, parents, and other stakeholders the value teacher librarians can add to classroom learning.